A supercar worth hundreds of thousands of dollars doesn't even have a reversing camera. This is the Ferrari 488. It was built in 2018 and has traveled over 40,000 kilometers. Today it came to our shop to install a reverse camera. This car has never had a reverse camera since it was manufactured. We can now see that the rear fog lights here are completely covered by a black lid. We will dismantle this sub-panel later. Install the reverse camera, and then wire from the rear sub-panel all the way from the left back to the instrument panel. After that, the signal line of the instrument runs straight from here to here. Then, we will plug the video signal cable of the reversing camera into this position. Over here, we can use a drill and the drill bit in the kit to drill this hole towards the center. Let's pass this reverse camera through here. Now we need to test the camera. First, we can push it down to lock in position. We have already installed the camera and wiring. Now we need to use Galileo to activate the reverse camera function. We have now fully installed it. Let's test it. If we reverse now, our monitor already has a picture. It looks very clear. Upgrade was successful.